The federal government has denied disaster relief to victims of the Yarnell wildfire. The blaze killed 19 hotshot firefighters and left thousands of acres of forest blackened and swept through homes and buildings. At least 129 homes and other structures were destroyed in the week-long inferno that was touched off by a lightning strike. Friday, the Federal Emergency Management Agency announced that there would be no additional funding in the Yarnell fire incident. That federal rules would not permit the agency to provide money to those who lost homes or other buildings because most of the damage was already covered by owner insurance. FEMA said it is not permitted to, quote, duplicate benefits provided by insurance companies and other federal agencies, end quote. The agency also declined to issue a major disaster declaration for the affected areas. The decision drew criticism from Arizona Senators John McCain and Jeff Flake. In a joint statement, they said, quote, "We are disappointed that FEMA denied the governor's disaster declaration request for the Yarnell Hill fire. It's a shame that FEMA couldn't find it within their mission to help rebuild homes and lives." Governor Jan Brewer directed her criticism directly at the president, quoting, "I am deeply troubled by the Obama administration's decision to deny much-needed recovery assistance in the wake of Arizona's deadliest wildfire." McCain, Flake, and Brewer all pledged to continue to look for ways to assist the victims. Jim Matthews, Havasu Video News.